I want to talk about a tool that can be used to record your business transactions in chronological order. The general journal is basically just a list of all transactions as they occur in order. Each transaction must have equal debits and credits. Most transactions have a single debit and a single credit, but it can get more complicated than that. All of my September transactions are pretty easy though. Just one debit and one credit. On September 1st, I added $500 of my own cash to the business, so cash goes up with a debit since it's an asset. Every debit must have a credit. The credit here is to my capital account. Notice that the debit is listed before the credit. That's standard operating procedure, my man. Also, notice that the credit is indented a little bit. This helps your eyeball separate the debits from the credits. Also on September 1st, I bought $30 worth of supplies for cash. Supplies increased by $30 and they are an asset, so assets increase with a debit. The credit is that cash decreased by $30. Notice that I skipped a line between transactions. This is also easier on the eyes and helps you visually separate transactions.